Best Smart Ceiling Fan. Number 5. Hunter Apache Ceiling Fan. The Hunter 59226 Apache ceiling fan earns its place on the list of the best smart ceiling fans today with a stylish 3-blade design, a unique twist at the foot of each blade for a curvy appearance, and a noble bronze finish. It features smart Wi-Fi compatibility as well. You can use its simple connect feature to quickly enable voice commands with your Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit systems so you can enjoy hands-free voice control to adjust the fan speed, direction, and lighting. You also get a LED light kit that features warm lighting with a built-in dimmer, so you can set the ambience in the exact way you want for any occasion. A beautiful clear glass fixture completes the stylish look. Plus, the mounting rod is height adjustable so it adapts to any space. This smart ceiling fan allows 3 different mounting positions for standard, angled, or low mounting, making it one of the best devices for versatility to suit any style ceiling. The Whisper Wind technology allows a whisper-quiet operation, while the factory-tested balance prevents annoying rocking, clicking, or wobbling. Number 4. Haiku Smart Ceiling Fans. If you've built your smart home around Alexa, you'll love the Haiku Smart Ceiling Fans. Haiku offers some of the best modern-looking ceiling fans with automation. Haiku's smart ceiling fans are versatile and stylish. Having received 75 international design awards, they have a ceiling fan for anyone's liking. Let's start with the L series. It has an iconic design, excellent price, and will upgrade the look of any indoor space. It also features LED lighting with 16 unique brightness levels. Since it works with Amazon's Alexa, you can control it with your voice. The Haiku is also compatible with our favorite smart thermostats, like the Nest and Ecobee, so you can control your home's temperature on warm days without kicking on your AC. Haiku also offers the H series and I series fans. They offer the same features but have different sizes and styles. Number 3. Honeywell Rio Ceiling Fan. The Honeywell Rio Ceiling Fan hits the sweet spot combination of functionality and gorgeous looks thanks to its brushed nickel finish. Not only is it a classically beautiful fan with 3 blades, but it's also voice command compatible with your Alexa device once you add a Bond hub. After linking these devices, simply ask Alexa to turn the fan on or adjust the speed and lighting to create your ideal atmosphere. With 3 fan speeds and a dimmer on the double bulb light fixture, there are many combinations that allow you to set the perfect ambience in any room. The fan has black matte blades, a brushed nickel finish, and a white, bowl-style glass light cover, adding a touch of style to any room. You can enjoy a cooling breeze in summer, and then reverse the motor to keep warm air down in the winter, perfect for energy-saving efficiency. It's primarily designed for medium to large-sized rooms. The remote control features an innovative smart sync technology for fast setup and buttons for adjusting speed, lighting, and motor rotation. With just the right combination of style and efficiency, the Honeywell 50195 Rio ceiling fan definitely earns its place as one of the top ceiling fans available today. Number 2. Hunter Dempsey Indoor Ceiling Fan. The Hunter Dempsey Indoor Ceiling Fan combines a classic style with updated technology. This 4-blade fan features LED lighting with a white glass cover and adjustable brightness. Its beautiful white blades complete the light, airy look. A whisper-quiet motor delivers powerful air movement without wobbling, rattling, or clicking. Not only are the multiple fan speeds adjustable, but a reverse feature lets you switch the fan's motion direction from updraft mode in winter to downdraft mode during summer. Plus, there are the obvious benefits of the fan too, like keeping your space cooler, while cutting down energy costs. The Hunter Dempsey Indoor Ceiling Fan is one of the best smart ceiling fans for simplicity and elegance, with low-profile housing to fit flush against your ceiling. This also makes it an ideal choice for homes with low ceilings. A remote control puts your fan controls right at your fingertips, so you can easily adjust the fan speed or lighting to set the perfect mood without having to cross the room to a wall switch or interrupt your activities. The beautiful white design is very versatile, suiting most home decor, while adding a stylish, classic touch to your living room, dining room, or bedroom. Basically, it's the perfect ventilation choice for your abode if you aren't sold on voice control with Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri. Number 1. Honeywell Carnegie Ceiling Fan. The Honeywell Carnegie Indoor Smart Ceiling Fan is one of today's best smart ceiling fans in the trending industrial style to complement the most updated home decor. It has a classic 5-blade style with a rustic pine finish, a bronze base, and a cage-style light fixture. Edison-style light bulbs complete the look. It's perfect for homes or apartments featuring rustic decor, industrial styles, or warehouse looks. You can choose from 3 different mount styles including standard, angled, or flush mounting. This trend-setting fan has a quiet running, powerful motor with 3-speed settings and a reverse feature to adjust between summer cooling and winter warming. The remote control offers smart sync technology for fast setup. You can use the remote control to adjust the fan speed, control the built-in light dimmer, or use the walk-away light delay feature, whatever you want.